Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. If you are an Android user, there may be times when you have to format your phone due to firmware related issues and some of your files, photos or WhatsApp data gets deleted by mistake and there is no way to recover it from your phone. But today I'll show you how to recover deleted files, photos, videos from your phone including your WhatsApp data. So for the recovery process, we will use Altphone Android Data Recovery app. Altphone Android Data Recovery app is a really helpful and feature-rich app which can help you to recover deleted files and WhatsApp data from your phone without root and has the highest success rate in the industry. It supports most of the Android phones. It's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from there. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny as it can recover each and every data from your WhatsApp. Whether you had backed it up or not, it can help you to recover data from WhatsApp Business and WeChat app. It can also recover your contacts, documents, call logs, files, photos, videos, everything from your phone or from Google Drive in just few minutes. But before going ahead, make sure you are using the latest and official version of the app. First, I'll show you how to recover your WhatsApp data. For that, connect your Android phone to PC. When you connect your phone, make sure USB debugging is turned on your device. It will most probably be under developer options. If you can't find developer options, then click the software build number 7 times in the about section of your phone and then a new developer options section will appear in your settings. And from there, you have to turn on USB debugging. Once it is done, the app will automatically move to the next step. So the phone is connected now and in order to start the process, click start. It will ask whether your WhatsApp account is logged in into your phone. If it is, then click yes, I want to continue. Now the next step is to set Google Drive backup option in your WhatsApp to never and then click backup. This will make a local copy of your existing WhatsApp data on your phone so that you can at least recover your existing data if anything in the process goes wrong. You can follow the on-screen instructions to do the following procedure. This may take some time depending on your WhatsApp data. Once you have done that, click backed up continue. Now the app will uninstall the existing WhatsApp on your smartphone and will install its required version automatically. Some phones may restart or show a pop-up that an unknown source is trying to install WhatsApp. Just click allow and install. Now a message will appear on your phone regarding backup. Just click backup my data. Now let the app do its work. So now the process of recovering WhatsApp data has started. At the top, it shows the scanning progress and time remaining. On the left, you have the option to check your recovered WhatsApp messages and each file category along with number of files recovered. The procedure is complete and you can see that messages, photos, voice notes, stickers, everything that was deleted from WhatsApp has been recovered. So now if you want to recover the deleted files from this app, just click the required file or photo and select recover. It will ask the location where you want to save the recovered files. Once you have done that, the recovered folder will open automatically and here you can see all the files that you had selected for recovering from your deleted data. So this is the most easiest and fastest way to recover WhatsApp data from your Android phone. Now I'll show you how to recover deleted data from your phone. For that, connect your Android phone to PC. When you connect your phone, make sure USB debugging is turned on your device. Now select what all things you want to recover from your phone. You can select individually or just select all and click start. The app will ask permission to install its connector software on your phone. Just click allow if a pop-up comes on your phone. And once the app gets installed on your phone, the connector app will open automatically. Allow all the permissions that the app asks for. Now the app will start obtaining data from your phone. So the process of recovering data has started. On the left, you can see each file category along with number of files recovered. At the top, it shows the scanning progress and the time remaining. This process may take time depending on the size of the data that is being recovered. So it can take 5 minutes or even 1 hour. But unless the process is complete, do not touch or disconnect your phone. Let the app do its work. Till then, just sit back and relax. So the scanning is complete and as you can see, the app has recovered every data from my smartphone which was deleted by mistake. The app has also recovered call logs that are more than 2 years old. That means from the day I had purchased this phone. Videos, audio and documents have been recovered as well. It has recovered more than 4,000 photos from my phone. At the top, you have filter options like whether you want to see all files of your phone or just the deleted or existing ones. You can also filter out the recovered photos with respect to date, source, and even size, which would make the procedure of finding your required photo much easier. So now if you want to recover the file from this app, just select the required file or photo and select recover. It will ask the location where you want to save the recovered files. Once you have done that, the recovered folder will open automatically, and here you can see all the files that you had selected for recovering from your deleted data. So this is the most easiest and fastest way to recover deleted files, photos, audio, video, documents from your smartphone. When you click the home button, it will ask you whether you want to go back to the home screen, as you may need to scan again to recover your remaining data. I'll select yes. So recovering WhatsApp and Android phone data was possible in just few clicks with Altphone Android Data Recovery app. You can download the app from the Altphone site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need. And you can get 50% off now if you use the coupon code which is being shown on the screen. If you have any doubts regarding the Altphone Android Data Recovery app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.